Yeah, man, people back with it, yeah, man. We are continue the whole saga and the whole drama, you know, man. Wine and dance all nice again, you know. Oh, we are continuing, man. Yeah, man, we are continuing now, easing up. Family Sparta drop another one named Destroyer. I mean, I have to catch up. You see me, like condiments in the kitchen. I have to catch up. Condiments, not condoms. So I want to learn in the world, learn what condiments mean, okay? Yes, man, we have to catch up, man. Yeah, man, family, the one named Sparta. Yeah, man, family Sparta, one named Destroyer. Holy crap, come like it out, come watch out, be a mosquito dead. Be a mosquito dead. Holy crap. Is this gonna be like popcorn microwave? Is this gonna be like microwave? Fuck it. Let's check it out, family Sparta, Destroyer. Let's get it.
I must say Purple Island, big city you come from, you know. Big and promise tell me everything, you know.
You really wanna get so big in life.
You can't come back a big city.
I say from a little child that you wanna grow up. Oh.
Purple Island, big city you come from, you know. Big and promise tell me everything, you know.
You really wanna get so big in life.
You can't come back a big city.
Big city that come from? What?
Gunshot go poke you.
Gunshot go poke you. Get the player right, big city poke. Aye, go on, Joe.
Me a go to the nerd and I came one time.
I am a killer.
Fish and crooks in the swamp. Pussy and yam.
One round.
Shit more better than facts. Man a killer and the subs in a song. Crocodile yam dead meat in a swamp. Marks our secrets say fuck you and yam.
Bloody blood clot, man say crooks and shark in us.
To the nerd and I came one time.
I am a killer.
Fish and crooks in the swamp. Pussy and yam.
One round.
Shit more better than facts. Man a killer.
Shit more talk foxy man not talk about what?
Subs in a song. Crocodile yam dead meat in a swamp. Marks our secrets say
Crocodile yam meat dead meat in us. Acho! Holy shit. Acho.
fuck you and I'm rich way. And you still a pay loan for your land. Done fool car bill if I come for your van. Fish and crooks swimming on the sea.
Real if come for your van for real. Me know say land you have to pay for them things. I don't know if you have to still pay mortgage for your land. But bail if come for the truck here right
Which king pussy all a concuss. Rich like all the nigga talk up. We have land that the money and clubs. Rich and silence and the time enough. We pop money on the punch up. And fuck your Barbie and the dance. Fuck it.
Man, tell me fuck your Barbie in the blood cleat. You fuck man sick a girl fit. I'm more than once. Me I hear Tammy I said this, you know.
Rich and silence and the time enough. We pop money on the punch up. And fuck your Barbie and the dance. Fucking lame as I make you get born. Yeah, be a green.
Oh, buckler. Well, tell me fuck your Barbie in the tonsil, brother. Yeah, lame. That's why you get. Yeah, bakery. Yeah, ah.
Ball in a prison style, that's him afraid. Chop your yard fully with all the pants. Anything where you serve things, them are your guide. Look rain fall and shake the sky. But I don't be on the rifle, me testify. On a 1, 2, 3, you attend the vibe. If I'm here this mood, I make it slide. I'm here this one, I will die. Richest murderer, we not give a fuck. And no demons could have been a crook.
The man say richest murder, we not give a fuck. No demons couldn't be no crooks. Go on.
Richest murderer, we not give a fuck. And no demons could have been a crook. We lose balance today with the talk. Any funny move where rifle up in the fuck. Can I fuck? I ain't shine, I only know me cut. If walk with a blood clot, talk or you do. You know I say you lean like the letter W. You just pat on the phone, nigga. Tryna make me buck up on the road, you know. Me know say you idol, I do the look up house shot, you know, know certain code, you know. You see
Oh, Buckley, man say, yo, you're the bad dog, me buck you up on the road, you know. You idol, I do it, hey.
you just pat on the phone, nigga. Tryna make me buck up on the road, you know. Me know say you idol, I do the look up house shot, you know, know certain code, you know. You see a climax of your portfolio. When you rich, when the title, they show me no.
You say a climax of your portfolio. What about?
I speak like somebody hold your throat. Slit in throat and curry your goat. Bitch, I'm bad, pussy, we not talk no. No more be
The man says sit your throat and curry your goat. Yeah, that boy your goat and get curry. You're going to get curry, my friend.
and curry your goat. Bitch, I'm bad, pussy, we not talk no. No more be a man, couldn't be the crew. But money, I will take drugs.
say, yo, the man and take jokes. At least D make me dance so, hey.
I'm turning a psycho. When you grow up, so that's why you hype so. You have it about coke, that's why you have a glass so. But you are hype from ups, you lock down a coke out. Come on, bro, you know you were free. You lick the pussy in a man that bought crazy. You know you grew up good, cause your father have like a cheese. Me good up.
But
Come on, bro, you know you were free. You lick the pussy in a man that bought crazy. You know you grew up good, cause your father have like a cheese. Me good up, father, no man never mind me. What you do? You rap or you email me. Come and know you a nerd that gangster what to be. Everything you do, you know you want to say it before me. That clever. Shadow projection, man. Me a better me.
Man say everything we know you say before me, that's clever. Shadow projection. Oh my gosh, man say some psychology thing Massacre try to do, man try to say everything when him do. Alright, go to.
One of your fans can't sing one of your songs till it done. It's every bag of carnal anywhere you turn. Your ego too big, I see enough of you. Me see a bag of tamily everywhere me turn. When me look for see a massacre, when me no see none. When
I hate talk, me see Tamily everywhere we turn. When I look for see a massacre, we don't see none. That's true. People want to be like Tamily. This is what we've been saying. No? We've been saying, yo, Tamily is the father. A lot of these new artists. That's true. Tamily is a goat. So I understand how Tamily get goat mentioned. A lot of these new big artists get them big hits from Tamily as well. Watch.
Everywhere me turn. When me look for see a massacre, when me no see none. When I size you, pussy go sit down. Teacher, bigger can't fit in 9 crown. You, me rich but I never, me no sign to labor, me no work.
Teacher head bigger can't fit in 9 crown.
Bigger can't fit in 9 crown. Sicker when me no see none. When I size you, pussy go sit down. Teacher, bigger can't fit in 9 crown. You, me rich but I never, me no sign to labor, me no work for people. You worship crown.
Yeah, rich but you no sign your work. That's true. Like Gaza artists, them are independent. What you?
Muslim and vehicle. Hope for you dead, them bury them with you. Should put a color on the road, me no need you. Me there prison, me run it black with the evil. Remember, me a real friend and bill. Teacher say I feel it. Oh, hey, we are gonna put him on the dirt. Suck your mother, you. I will be the destroyer. Right there. When I figure a club massacre, I have some young destroyer. Remember, me make massacre look like massacre. I chat about one big crime, make massacre look small. You understand? But yeah, I try freak you, okay, what I tell you. I understand about freak things still, because maybe, you know, say I in your face, climax get her name, see?
Oh, shit.
I will be the destroyer. Right there. When I figure a club massacre, I have some young destroyer. Remember, me make massacre look like massacre. I chat about one big crime, make massacre look small. You understand? But yeah, I try freak you, okay, what I tell you. I understand about freak things still, because maybe, you know, say I in your face, climax get her name, see?
Okay. So a massacre jump the gun. Oh, I must say, I make massacre. As in a massacre. Look like mosquito. You must say, basically, you'll make a massacre, which is a big crime, look small, the way a man out of control. But massacre, take it as if I diss him. Okay. So it was a miscalculation on mosquito's part, massacre part. Cheese and peace. Crux, let me know one thing about that. You see me? Genocide, let me know one thing about that. Sparta, let me know one thing about that as well. Let me know in the comment section, man. This is crazy. Don't tell me say the war started by accident. But wait. Me I fall for the bait, you know, because I could have swear say in the same song. I gotta go back and check. But in that same song, he did say something about, nah, that was no damn mistake. Tap it, Sparta. You did that on purpose. I think you remember something about the crowd in that same song. In thing there, in our first song, in a control. I have to go back and check though and see what I miss. I ain't gonna lie to you. Let's get it though. That's crazy. Big up on yourself. This going crazy though. Shit. Let me find out so this shit start by mistake or misconception. Let me find out, man. But this is crazy though. Shout out to the G them. This shit sound crazy and it going good, man. Yeah, see me answer. Alright, we're gonna drop anyway, you guys. Let me know the thoughts in the comment section, bro. I'm dropping this video for y'all right now. You know what I'm saying? No jokes. See y'all a little bit, guys. Let me know y'all thoughts. Love you guys. I'm out.